I got this message over on social media the other day and I wanted to share it with you. I run a roofing business specialising in leadwork and domestic roofing. Sometimes we get a call for an emergency repair. If a customer had a plumbing emergency, they'd expect to pay an emergency call-out fee. And he's essentially saying in this message that he should be entitled to that too. I think I need to implement this into my business because the emergency repairs take me away from scheduled work, from which I could lose money. I'd really love to know your thoughts on this. So for any trade, not just roofers, plumbers, sparkies, everybody, your business, your rules. The reason we're feeling this resistance to asking for an emergency fee for a call out is quite simply because we've never done it before. We worry about what other people think. We worry about how the customer is going to respond to the way that we do business. And the way that you do business is no one else's business. There's no right or wrong to any approach that you deem appropriate for your business's functionality and profitability. So if you want to charge a call out fee, you charge a call out fee. What you must do is set your client's expectations before that project begins or before you turn up on site. You've just got to make it clear on the phone when the lead comes in that that's how you do business. And having a standardized approach to any call that comes in allows you to grow and scale your operation to whatever you want it to be. But whenever you get stuck in the different mentality and dealing with different calls in a different way, you're unable to grow. The best thing to do in order to respond to an inquiry like this, I've got some emergency roof work that needs doing, or no matter what trade you are, plumber, sparky, whatever that might be, is to qualify the client first. That's the key. We've got to qualify that client as a suitable lead for us to be able to then go price up or go and carry out a repair for. Look, if you type the word PQQ, all right, it's not a word, it's 3 letters, PQQ in the comments below, I'm going to shoot you a link over on a direct message that'll take you to a free training that's hosted over on YouTube that you can watch that'll answer this in full for you. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.